Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. The lingo today is IRO, I-R-O, Independent Real Estate Owner. And this most commonly refers to commercial, apartments, self-storage, senior living, and such. And what Independent Real Estate Owner, or IRO, is, that's when you buy the property all by yourself. You don't bring in partners, you don't bring in passive investors, you just buy it yourself. And this is going to give you the highest possible rate of return for your money that there is, because every dime of profit comes to you. The IRO generally is somebody with $500,000 or more to do their own deal. Now, this cannot be in an IRA or a 401k. Remember, an IRA and 401k can be used to passively invest in other people's deals, but you cannot use those for your own deal. So this would have to be your money. Stocks, mutual funds, maybe you got it sitting in metal or crypto or wherever. It could also be equity from your home. If you made the mistake of paying your home off and you've got a bunch of debt equity sitting there, you can actually use that as well. But again, this is going to be your highest and best rate of return that you can achieve with real estate. That's Learn the Lingo. Thanks for watching.